One of the most common questions that we receive here at Absolute Services is how much is a new HVAC system, or what should I pay for a new HVAC system? We have customers that pay as little as $5,000 for a complete system, and we have customers that spend as much as $30,000 for a complete system. So that's a very big question in terms of giving an appropriate answer. And the number one thing is going to be, of course, the size of the home, how efficient you want that system to run, and if there's any other things that need to be added on to that system to provide you the level of comfort that you expect. So, but typically in most systems, average size house are going to range in the $5,000 to $10,000 range. To make a very easy answer to that question. But if you have any more questions about that and you're interested in a new system, the only way we can truly give you an accurate price is to send out a comfort advisor to your home and do a heat load study on the house, and we will design the exact system that you need, and then we can give you the exact cost at that time. So, but anyway, if you interested in doing that, give us a call at our office at 502-561-8444, and we typically can get somebody out either the same day, or if it's very late in the day, it'll be the following day, and get you a price. Thank you.